Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, July 16th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I will start as usual with this one. This is a longer-term chart, spans almost 2 years. 368.69, this 16-month channel bottom that we tested back in April and almost again about a month ago can continue to contain selling pressures even through the rest of the year, above which one can make the case for 546.14 as a possible by the end of year target. That wouldn't become a clear anticipated objective unless we were to also close above this descending 9-month channel top at 435.94, which we tested a couple of months ago, came close to testing a few weeks ago. We could stay inside of this zone for the next 3 to 5 weeks. And so that is the two-sided framework that we have through the rest of July and into August. If we can close at 440.30 or higher this week, which is not going to happen, then within possibly 2 to 3 months, we could see that 546.14 level, which looks something like this on the longer-term chart, that 6-year channel top, able to contain buying through the rest of the year and quite possibly well into 27. But we're not there yet, and where we still are is in this framework, this two-sided framework between wrong chart. Where did you go, chart? There it is. Between 368.69 and 435.94. Now, if we were in the coming weeks to close below 368.69, and that would need to be by a 1% margin of 365 even or lower, we would enter a long-term sell signal. But as I've been saying, we do have a descending channel top that once again is not illustrated today. I wish it was. I asked that it be presented, but it is not. And I can just kind of recreate it here. It is a trend line off these highs, project that same angle against this intermediate low, and that takes you down to about 360.89. And so that is the range, a wide range that begins at 368.69, ends at 360.89. It is a zone that can contain selling pressures, as I say, through the rest of the year. If we did close below 360.89, that would, of course, also be below this red line, the 1% violation of 368.69. That would set up 305.44 as a 1 to 2 month target. And yes, within 6 months, say by the end of the year, we could find ourselves in the 220s. So that is the big picture in a nutshell. Let's jump to the day itself. I've got 413.28.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
That if tested, and it doesn't look like we will. We had a wild day, outside day. We closed negative on the day. 413.28, if tested, can contain daily buying pressures, and if settled above, should yield that low to mid 430s by the end of next week. On the way up, we have 421.36. That's a very day tradable level, but just know that if we close above 413.28, we are anticipating yet another test of the low to mid 430s, where once again we can top out through July, through August, and fall away again from there as we have before. And that comes into something like that. Let's take a look at the downside. We still have 387.80, the high of the low. There's a bit of a shelf process going on here. I'm confident that if we close below 387.80, this is a 3 to 5 day sell signal. Present volatility, that could be 2 to 3 days. 368.69 expected with a settlement below 387.80. Where, once again, we could bottom out through August and through the rest of the year. Closing outside of this region will be a big deal as we move into the fourth quarter. But until then, it is a confinement. It is a congestive framework. You can play both sides of the market, 3 to 5 week swing traders. And yes, inside of that, we have our 3 to 5 day sell signal to the downside below 387.80 and our 3 to 5 day buy signal to the upside above 413.28. I think we put out 2 stock picks this week, wickedstocks.com. UiPath, an AI tech stock, was put out on Wednesday. and on Tuesday, Capital One. They're not buy recommendations just yet. We have all the specifics for whether you should go long those stocks. They are channel structures that, if settled above, would signal aggressive gains as we move into August. And so you can check that all out for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 2-week free trial, in which you'll also receive daily NVIDIA analysis, daily Triple Q analysis, daily SPY analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. So I'm going to leave it at that. Go to wickedstocks.com, take advantage of that 2-week free trial. Otherwise, I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla report. You have a great evening.